Hi guys, hey, my name is Josh, also known as Work Bunny, and welcome to my gig offering Facebook ads consultancy. I've had over 8 years of experience in the advertising and marketing industry. I've worked for huge brands such as Nike, Financial Times, and many more. I've also spent thousands in Facebook ads and I've been able to generate amazing results for my clients. Facebook ads is always changing, so it's really important to stay at the forefront in order to generate great results for your brand and for your service. In this Facebook ads consultancy, we'll be going over things like how to set up your ads properly, also things like how to build up a custom audience, and many more. So if you're interested in really getting an in-depth education into Facebook ads and how it can work for your specific business, feel free to message me or feel free to order and I'll be more than happy to help. Take care, guys.